This is the Pet MD Wrap-A-Pill Peanut Butter Paste. They have a couple different flavors and a couple different sizes. It looks like this on the inside. My dog will do anything not to take a pill until I found this, and I'm not joking. So I wrap it up pretty tight. It's squishy, so you can really hide it. You could give it straight to your dog, but I like to put it within the kibble. Watch my dog go straight for it. And here are the simple instructions. It's been a game changer for me and my dog.